If you've been using ChatGPT or any AI tool by typing everything, every question, every request, every piece of data, I need to show you something. You're doing AI the hard way. Your team is spending hours typing information into AI that they could just transfer in seconds. And all the time that's wasted on typing, that's time not spent on actual work. I'm Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Darky and Otoma and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association. And here's what most people don't realize. AI can see, hear, and read documents. You don't have to type everything. And once you learn these three inputs, you'll never go back the old way. Think of it this way. Right now, most people use AI like a smartphone owner who only makes phone calls. The phone has camera, a voice recorder, a file manager, a GPS, a scanner, but they only use it to call people. Meron tayong mga kilalang ganon, di ba? That's what you're doing when you only type into AI. You're ignoring the camera, you're ignoring the microphone, and you're ignoring the file reader. So, AI has three inputs that many business owners never actually utilize. Let me show you all three, starting with the one that will surprise you the most. Method one, take a picture and let AI read it. Here's the real scenario. Your team just finished a brainstorming session. So sa whiteboard, there's full of ideas, action items, deadlines, and what happens next? Well, someone takes notes, types them into a document, and formats everything, sends it to the team, but that takes 13 minutes if you're fast. Or you can just take a picture of the whiteboard, upload it to AI, and say, organize these into action items with deadlines and assign them based on the names written next to each one. 30 seconds, done. Organized and ready to send. Alam mo yung whiteboard after brainstorming should just be one photo and then tapos na. And this works for way more than whiteboards. Take a picture of handwritten meeting notes, AI transcribes them. You can snap a photo of a stack of receipts, AI tracks the amount. Take a screenshot of a client's Viber message, and AI drafts a professional response. Photograph a business card, and then AI creates a contact entry. Anything you can see, AI can read. So stop retyping what already exists in the real world. Here's when not to use photos. If your image is blurry, has bad lighting, or kaya the handwriting is unreadable, AI will struggle. So make sure the text is clear and the photo is sharp. Garbage in, garbage out. That rule still applies. Method 2, speak instead of type. You just finished a client call. You need to send a follow-up email. So the old way, well, you sit down, open your laptop, and try to remember everything that was discussed. And then spend maybe 20 minutes typing the email. So the new way is to open your AI tool, hit the dictate button, and say, I just finished a call with Mr. Santos from ABC Corporation. He wants a revised proposal by Friday with a 10% discount on the second phase. Draft a professional follow-up email confirming these details. So the AI drafts the email while the conversation is still fresh in your head. So hindi mo na kailangang mag-type, magsalita ka lang. And this works for more than emails. Dictate a prompt instead of typing it, especially when your prompt is long and detailed. So voice is faster than typing for anything over 2 sentences. You can record a quick voice summary after a meeting. So you can say, here are 3 decisions we made and the 5 action items. And then let AI format it into a proper minutes. Even while driving or walking between meetings, speak your ideas into AI and review them later. You can think out loud and AI will type it for you. So far, we've covered photos and voice. Method 3 is the one that saves the most time for business owners. And unfortunately, only few leaders use it. So method 3 is upload a file and let AI read it for you. So here's the scenario every business owner knows. A supplier sends a 40-page contract. You need to review it before signing. So the old way, you read every page yourself or you pay your lawyer to do it and wait for 3 days. Well, the new way, upload a PDF to AI and ask, what are the 3 riskiest clauses in this contract for my business? AI reads all 40 pages and gives you a summary in under a minute. Now, this is not a replacement for legal advice. Always have your lawyer review the final version. But as a first pass, pwede na. It's a good way to know what to look for before the next meeting. Hindi mo na kailangan basahin lahat, AI na ang magbabasa for you. And just like for the first 2 that we discussed, this is not just limited to contracts. You can upload your competitor's proposal and then ask AI, how does this compare to our pricing? You can upload spreadsheet and then ask AI summarize the top 10 clients by revenue and flag anyone who decreased by more than 20%. Or you can upload your meeting minutes, extract all the action items and who's responsible for each one. So any document your business touches, reports, invoices, proposals, policies, AI can read them in seconds and tell you what matters. This is a big time saver for business leaders. A 40-page document that would take you an hour to read becomes a 1-minute conversation with AI, at least for the first pass. And one important reminder, your AI policy should define which documents are safe to upload. Not everything should go into AI. Kung may confidential data, check your policy first. And we talk about it in a separate video. So, for your self-check, think about the last task you type into AI. The last time you sat down and type out a long prompt and manually enter data. Could you have taken a photo instead? Could you have spoken it? Could you have uploaded a file? Kung nag-type ka ng 10 minutes sa AI kahapon, baka 30 seconds lang sana yon. So here's what I want you to remember. AI does not just read text. It can see photos, hear your voice, and read your documents. And the business implications? Well, that means we stop wasting time typing and start giving AI information in the fastest way possible. So here's your action step. Tomorrow, try one task using a photo or your voice instead of typing. Just one. Take a photo of the whiteboard after a meeting or dictate your next prompt instead of typing it. Kahit Tagalog, it will understand. Or kaya, upload a document you've been putting off reading. Just one, and you'll feel the difference immediately. And you'll never go back to typing everything. And remember, once you find prompts that work well with photos, voice, or a file upload, save them to your prompt vault. The best results come from reusing what already works and not starting from scratch every time. Again, I'm Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Darky and Automa and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association, reminding you, stop typing everything into AI. Show it a picture, talk to it, hand it a document. Work smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.